Start over. Hello, this is Lena's Pretty Things, and we're going to do an unboxing for Amazon. So we have a box to unbox and a bag to unbox. And this is my daughter, Ariana.
Who doesn't like a joke?
You've got, what's it called? Hold it still. pH neutral PVA, professional quality adhesive, archival. It's for bookbinding, because that's going to be my new project this time, as a book to bookbind our own books for a while. Okay, you've modeled it enough. You can put it over there, funny girl. And we have, what's it called? Gaffer Power Bookbinding Premium Grade Tape.
I can't.
My girl's just a little tiny bit strange. Is that all that's in that one? Put it over there with the rest of my... Hey, Brie. Okay, that's her with her hat. Put it over there. Pick it up. Put it over there. Well, that's not really what I meant for you to do, but okay.
Oh, gone. I'll shut up. You don't know what that's from.
You probably don't want to know what that's from.
It's from an anime.
Of course.
A pervert, what's it called? Clown, dude.
I don't like clowns. Did you open it through the middle? Yes? Okay. Now open the dang thing up so see what I got in there.
I can't stop.
Could you be normal, maybe? It's not normal. Don't play at the... What are you doing?
That tasted really gross.
Good.
Hands off.
So what we got here? We got We Are Memory Keepers, and it is a bookbinding gauge from We Are Memory Keepers. I like We Are Memory Keepers. I got a few things from there. That's my favorite thing coming out of the whole box. I have, hold it still, vanilla latte, click, all-in-one coffee and protein drink mix espresso coffee. It's to help you lose weight. That's what it's for. I want to read something. Quit playing with that. You can put it in, let's see, hot coffee, cold coffee, and like smoothies. Put it over there. It's all mine.
Can't stop.
Yay! It's my charms. What company is it from? What's it say under here? That's just the bag. So anyway. Anyway, I got my Wiccan charms. Came in the mail. Listen to the ASMR. Okay, let me do all this. See, I've got moons and stars and pentagrams.
Hello.
Pentacles.
My name is Box.
Okay, Brie, what is this one? And my chipboard came in.
Hello.
And her name is Box. And this is Elisa. This is Box. Anyway.